All right, so the Russell just gave us a short right here, and we anticipate that's going to go back down to the weekly trading zone. After it goes 10 ticks into profit, we'll bump the stop to break even. At least to the weekly trading zone is what I think it's going to do. Now, we'll see what it does do, but he had all 4 lines in the ribbon, and you got a down close that pulled it out of the overbought. So this is the trade right here, 35.2, and I'm in exactly the right spot. My stop should be 25 ticks away, and it is. And so this should be a good trade. It should go down actually to the prior swing low. It should go down through the weekly trading zone all the way down to here. Now, taking this into the zone, there's enough room to get the stop to break even from here to the zone. Looks like it's going to stop me out, but there's enough room to get the stop to break even from here to the zone. And the zone usually acts like a magnet when you have something like that. It usually pulls it right back into it. That's usually what happens. That's what should happen right here. Once we get 10 ticks into profit, we'll bump the stop. We need to go 2, 3 more ticks. Couple more. There it is. Stop to break even on this. All right, now this should go right down into the zone and then down through the prior swing low at 30.9. I'm going to lock in a couple of ticks because this is my first Russell trade. But 30.9 is right down there. That's the low of the day, actually. I'm going to lock in, I was going to lock in 10 on this, but I guess I'll just lock in 5. And I'll be out with 5. All right.